So hello guys, welcome to new video. So now in this video we will start with three problems. We will cover in this video three problems. First one is minimum subset sum partition problem. Second problem is count the number of subset sum with given difference. Third problem is target sum problem. I will tell you what is the problem statement of this problem, this given problem. After that, okay. So you will get to know. We will discuss these three problems in our lecture, okay. So before going to this lecture, I make sure that if you don't know knapsack problem and related to three problems, that is subset problem, count of subset problem, and then last one third other one other problem is I can't remember, but you can check my last video. So I taught this three problem before, and I also taught knapsack problem. So this three problem also related to previous problem, okay. So if you don't know my previous video, if you don't know, watch my last video, so you will never understand this problem, my solution, what approach I am doing in this problem, okay. So I request you that you will go my previous video and firstly watch this video, watch that video, after that watch this video, okay. So let's start from problem number one. So problem number one says that minimum subset sum partition, okay. Let's go. Yeah, this is the problem, minimum sum partition. So difficulty is hard level, but if you know my previous concept, previous video, it's not that much difficult. So you simply follow my playlist and you will understand how it's going on, okay. So given an array and of size and containing non-negative integer. Listen guys, here they give us non-negative integer. So we will do only non-negative integer. For negative, you will refer other code. I am doing considered non-negative integer, okay. So array considered only positive integer, okay. The task is to divide it into two sets S1 and S2. Our task is to divide the array into two sets S1 and S2 such that absolute difference between their sum is minimum, okay. Find the minimum difference. So if we divide our I think I taught you a last problem, equal sum problem, where you divide a array into two partition and after that you count the sum, and you say that this problem S1 and S2 is equal, that's why some like that problem, okay. This is related to that problem. That's why I am asking you that if you don't know if you don't watch my previous video, firstly go to my video, then after that you go back this video, okay. So this question says that we have an array and we divide this array into S1 and S2, okay, and S1 and S2 are two subset, okay, of that array, which means S1 minus S2 should be minimum. This question says that difference between their sum, okay, S1 and S2 का sum should be minimum. Find the minimum difference. Let's see the example. This is the example. N is equal to 4 and array is 1, 6, 11, 5. So output is 1. So why output is 1? So in S1 we consider 1, 5, 6. Total is 12. And in S2 we consider only 11. So that's why 12 minus 11 should be minimum. 12 minus 11 is equal to 1. So if you consider in 6 plus 1 in S1. If you consider 11 plus 5 in S1, in S2, 11 plus 5 is equal to 70, and 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. 70 minus 7 is equal to 10. So it means it is maximum. 10 is maximum now. So that's why you will not consider that subject. You will consider that subject whose difference is should be minimum. So I can see that this if I consider this three element simultaneously, so our output is 12, S1 is 12, and other side we will consider this S2 is 11. So 12 minus 11 is totally minus, minimum is 1. We will not find any subject whose minimum less than 1. Last element whose minimum is 1. You can check. Okay, and second example is that n value 2 and size of array is equal to, and array is 1 4, output is 3. Okay, so we have only two options. One subject is S1 is 1 and S2 is 2. So question says that absolute difference. So it does not mean that you are minus from S1 to S2, S2 minus S1, S2 like that. Absolute value. So it means you can do minus S2 minus S1, S1 minus S2. Okay, 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. That's why answer 3. So you need to answer is like that function. Certain complexities had into power sum of an array. Okay, means sum of an array. So see guys, I also taught in last problem that you will consider sum. So maybe in this question you have considered sum. So that's why it's sum of an array element. Okay, it means in this question you also required sum. Yeah. So let's go to the note. Yeah. This is the input. I said this is the input. I told you in the problem. Yeah. Okay. And input value. Okay. So this is a big input. So let's consider small input. Okay. Easy to understand and easy to calculate. Okay. So we have an array. What is question said that? Question said that divide it to divide two sets. Okay. We divide it to P1 and P2 and two sets S1 and S2. Okay. So S1, S2 minus S1 should be minimum. Our task is S1, S2 minus S1 should be minimum. We can say that S1 minus S2. We can consider vice versa. Okay. So don't matter if you consider S1, S2. Okay. So our task is to find S2 minus S1 should be minimum. Okay. In this example, you can, if you say that I have 7 in S1, one side I have 7, in the other side I have 3. So 7 minus 3, 4. Output should be 4. Maybe you consider that I have only 1 here, and 7 plus 2 I have 9 here. 9 plus 1 is equal to 8. So and let's consider I have 2 here, and I have 7 plus 1 8. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. It is maximum. So minimum value is only 4 when we consider 7 alone and 1 or 2 similar. Okay. So that's mean I say that. I hope you understand the problem statement. What is the question says that. So let's go to approach how we will tackle this question. So first step is we will find S1 and S2. Okay. Tell me one thing. How you will think that how you will get S1 and S2? You don't have any idea. But you can store that as S1 and S2 should be equal to, I mean, sum of the S1 and S2 is equal to total sum. I hope you understand. Like in previous question, as I said that S1 plus S2 is equal to total sum, है ना? So I know this thing, है ना? So we can say that S1 and S2 lies between 0 to total sum, means its range, its S1 and S2 की रेंज 0 से लेके टोटल सम तक होगी, from 0 to total sum, है ना? It's obvious that if S1 is present, so its sum is lies between 0 to total sum. I will show you an example. So one more thing is, in this question, the question asks us minimum value, minimum difference should be, है ना? If question said that it require maximum, how you will think? Like simply total sum minus 0. We will take all the subset in S1, है ना? We take in all the subset in S1. The other side we will take only null subset 0. Only we will not take anything. So total sum minus 0. We have the maximum difference. Simple. Okay, I hope you understand. So let's go next step. So next step is like I have a sum. What is sum of this array? 1 plus 2 plus 7 is equal to 10. Okay. Then let's draw a line. Sorry. Let's draw a line. No. Okay. What I am saying that? I am saying that your S1, your S2 lies in between 0 to 10, because total sum is 10. So S2 plus S1 plus S2 is equal to sum. So will you think that how will tackle this? How we will solve S1 and S2? Let's consider. There is 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here I can write 5 here. Okay, so this is the range line. Okay, range line. One minute. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So yeah, I have this sum, and this range from S1 range from 0 to 10. What we require? We require S2 minus S1, or vice versa. S2 minus S1, vice versa. Like S1 minus S2, you can write like another way. So I write S2 minus S1. So it means that S2 always should be always greater, है ना? 1 S is always greater ना, and 1 S is always smaller. That's why you will get maximum. You get difference ना. 1 S is maximum, other S is small. That's why you will get mean difference. Okay. So what we will think? We will think that if S1, we consider that S1 small should be small. S1 should be small ना. So X1 can be this. Zero to 5 means sum divided by 2. 5. Half होगा ना S1. S1 is the half ना. Should not be greater than S2. Means what is the probability of S1 if it is less? It can be 1, है ना? So S2 1 is 6 भी उसमें बनेगा. It can be 2. S2 can be 7. S1 can be 3. S1 can be 8. S1 can be 4. S2 can be 9. S1 can be 5. S2 can be 10. But S1 cannot be 6. Okay. Because when S2 is S2 here 10, there is a no element remaining, है ना? So simple S1 can be come here in this position, some minus 2. Okay, I hope you understand. So means you can consider only half of the sum. You are consider firstly we will see this S1. So this S1. So you will how you will take S1? S1 can be make subset some 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But we can say that it not make all the subsets that we are seeing. Like we have array 1, 2, 7. What subset we can found? What subset we can make? Okay, like 2, 1 we can make, yeah, 1 we can make. 2 can we make, yeah, we can 2 can make. 3, 2 plus 3, yeah, we can make. 4, we can. Is it possible to make 4 subset sum? Not. It means we cannot make it. 5 not. We cannot make it. 6 not. We cannot make it. 7 yes. 8 yes. 9 yes. 10 yes. From this array you can you find which sum is we can make. So this is the way to find S1. Only S1. Remind. Remember this thing. S1. So firstly take S1 from 0 to some minus 2, 5. So after that you check what is the possible subset can be found. Like here. So is it same problem like subset sum problem? It means to find S1 we use subset some problem now. Right or wrong? I will show you. Yeah, this is a matrix, so we have array 1 2 7, and we required S1. We require S1. So S1 maximum can be 5. Maximum S1 can be 5. So you can put here 5, only 5. You can put also some here, but you can consider only this 5. Don't need to consider this remaining. I will erase this. Yeah, this 5. So this will tell you, last row will tell you is it okay, is it good, like 3 now. Is it make 0? Yes, it can be make empty 1 not 0. Is it here is, yeah, 0. 1 we can make, yes, make. 2 can make, yes, we make. 3 can make, yes, make. 4 can make, no. 5 can make, no. This is the sum set problem. Okay, like sum is 5. You find if sum is 5, then it is possible to make. So if sum is 5, you can you can also see. I also you will get also 4 for 4 for 3 for 2. Likewise, after that you will get 5. It means now you will get all the sum till 5. So it simply you will store this into a vector or array list that which sum is used. So here 0 can be possible, 1 can be possible, 2 can be possible, 3 can be possible. Yeah, this 4 element can be possible, can be over S1. S1 can be over S1. I hope you understand this concept. This 0, 1, 2, 3. Only this 4 elements can be S1. S1 is minimum. Tell me one thing. If you take something, if you want minimum difference, so I take S2 is 12. Randomly, I will take S2 is 12. So what is the value here? I have choice, small choice of 12, smaller choice, but less than 12 for 15. I can take here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I can take maximum number. I can take some. I can take any number. But what I will choose? I will choose maximum of my choice. Maximum my choice. I will choose only 14. That's why I will get 1. After that I will get only minimum. If I choose S1 is maximum, that after that I will get minimum difference. I hope you understand. That's why I will choose this 3 S1 as S1. As I consider that, but I will tell you through a formula. I hope you will understand how to calculate S1. So we have this equation S2 minus S1. So S1 some value. S1 can have any value, ठीक है. So over S2 is, so if S1 is some value, so what overall is sum na, overall is sum na, so sum minus S1 is equal to S2, है ना. So if I replace this S2 in this equation, what is get? This is simple math. Sum minus S1 minus S1. I will get this expression. Like if I replace S2 into sum minus S1, तो दो S1 मिल गए तो हमें क्या मिलेगा? What we will get? We will get sum minus 2S1. So we required what we will get? We will get this equation. We will only check this equation which is minimum value. We consider only we check minimum value, not doing anything. We need only put here. We will check all the value for S1. If we put all the value of S1, I have 4 value na S1. I have 4 value. Likewise, I will consider all the values 0, 1, 2. I know last value, final maximum value we will get, but this is the formula. So using loop we will get minimum value from this. Okay. So as I said that you can enter into array list. What is value? 0, 1, 2, 3. This value you will get. After that you apply this formula, sum minus 2 into array list. Array list means element into the S1 we have 0, 1, 2, 3. I store into this array list, and firstly I will take S1 is 0. After that I will take S1 is 1. After that I will take S1 is 2. After that I will take S1 is 3. So simple minus. So I will consider only minimum value. I hope you understand. Let's see the code. Yeah. This is the DP matrix. Okay. This is the S sum. Firstly I will count sum here. Okay. Simple code. After that I take a variable for S1. Okay. For count S1. So take a value means sum minus 2 value. Why we are taking an value for this matrix? So minus 2 is the size of the S1. Okay, for counting S1. So 1 plus only for DP are you using 1. Okay, so that's why we initialize DP here, DP matrix here. This function count the S1. As I mentioned that only call the subset problem to count the subset problem gives me this matrix. Okay, and I declare this matrix as globally. So anywhere we can get this value of matrix. Okay, so yeah, we can make this matrix. After that I make a array list in Java. You can consider it better in C++. So where I will take only last row. Yeah, this last row. And means 3. Last row and I. Last row. If true, I put false and true. So if true, we will consider this that element. I means use that element. 0 1. This is loop na 0 से लेके 5 तक. 0 से लेके m तक. And that's it. So I will consider it into the matrix, into the array list. Okay. After that, I will consider this mean value. Mean simple. I will choose only mean value from this. As I said that I use this formula. Whoever is mean, so simply return that mean. And this code is for subset problem, as I already taught you. Okay. I hope you understand this problem. Let's go to the next problem. So the next problem is very simple. Not is means if you understand this problem, if you well understand in last problems, you can easily tackle. Count the number of subsets sum with given difference. What question say that? In above question, they ask us to find minimum difference. It's minimum difference find. But in this case, they gave us difference. I show you in the difference question. Given an array partition into 2 subsets, such that each element must belong to only one subset. Let them sum of the element of these two S1 S2 given a difference C. Count the number of partitions in which S1 is greater than or equal to S2. The difference between S2 is equal to D. Since the answer is module, so last so what is the question? 4 is and D equals 3. 4 is the size. So code is 1. I will show you in this example. So I have an array, right? I have an array 1, 1, 2, 3. So in previous question, what they ask? They ask only right. So in previous question, they ask only should be this difference should be minimum. S1 minus S2 should be minimum. In this question, the question says that this minimum already given. We provide you this difference, minimum difference. It is minimum or whatever. If they provide difference, you should answer that how many subset whose difference is equal to that difference, is equal to given difference. Means S2 minus S1 minus S2 is इसका जो भी difference S minus S1 माइनस S2 का जो भी डिफरेंस होगा वो गिवन डिफरेंस के बराबर होना चाहिए. वो उसके कितने काउंट, वो उसकी कितनी संख्या होंगी जो ये सबसेट होंगे ऐसे वाले. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड द प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट. इट सिंपली मीन्स सिंपल काउंट दैट सबसेट दैट S1 minus S2 whose difference is same to the given difference. Okay, I hope we can say that we have this and this equation 1, equation 2. We know these things now. S1 minus S2 should be equal to this the given, and I can say that S1 plus S2 should is equal to S1. We know these things already. One thing is given to the question S1 minus S2 is equal to difference, and other thing we already know S1 plus S2 is equal to sum, total sum. So yeah. So if I create this equation, this S1 cancels, this S1 cancels. You can consider it here S2 also. S1 is here, S2 is here, S21 is here. Then S1 cancel. But this does not matter. Well, if you know one value, automatically you can get second value also. So if this will cancel, I will S1 plus S2 equal to S1, and difference plus sum is equal to this. If 2 is come in this divide, it goes into the divide, I will get this final formula for S1. This is total math. I hope you know the basic concept of math. So yeah, if you know S1, you only count. Don't need to go check, like if I have 1 1 2 3, if I have 1 1 2 3, so what is the S1? S1 is difference is 1 plus sum plus equal to 7. I hope this is 7 to 7. Yeah, 3 plus 2, 5 to 7 divided by 2 plus 1 8 divided by 4. S1 come 4, and this S1 comes 4, this S1 comes 4. If you really see this example, let's consider minimum difference is 1. Okay, I given minimum difference is 1 in this case. That's why I take it 1 here. So to tell you I forget it. So that's why I take it 1. If you really see, if you are able to see that, we get S1 is to 4. So how we will get minimum difference 1 only from this array? If I get 3, I got 3 here and minus 2 here. Have 1. If I get, but we will, what is question say that? Question say that such that each element must be belong to only one subset. We have to consider all the elements. So what we will take? We will take 3 in one set and 1 here. We can take 2 plus 1. This total is 4. This total is 3. So 4 minus 3, 1. If I take 3 here only, and 1, 2 here, or is total sum is 4, its total sum is 3. So S1 is only greater, so that's why S1 is 4 and S3 is 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. है ना? It means S1 is always greater. If you know S1, if you know the S1 value, we can simply get S1 value. Means one sum can I mean हमें पता है कि एक सम यही है, दूसरे का हमें कोई लेना देना नहीं है. हमें पता है कि S1 हमेशा यही होगा, किसी इस एरे में यही वैल्यू होगी S1 की, यही वैल्यू है S1 की. इधर 4 है तो इसका हर जगह इस एरे में S1 की वैल्यू 4 ही होगी, तब भी वो 1 आ पाएगा. We define from the mathematical equation, which is we only know these things to solve this question. S1 we will get simply count. Replace the count. कौन सा कोड है? Count the sum set some problem. But here you will put this S1 has sum, because देखो जितने सम हो, अगर S1 जितने भी उस एरे में हुए जिनका सम इसके बराबर आता हो, जिसका सम 4 के बराबर आता हो, जितने भी इधर सबसेट हुए, जितने भी हुए सबसेट जिसका सम 4 के बराबर आता हो, इसका सीधा मतलब तो ये ना, जो बाकी बचा तो वो तो S2 ही होगा. उसका डिफरेंस तो 1 ही आना है, जो मर्जी करो. So simple return count subset sum problem, and instead of sum here we can put S1 here. One line code, only one line code. I hope you understand. This is a tricky question. Yeah. Yeah, this count the sum. This is the exception case, like if S1 have some S1 have decimal value, maybe na S1 we divide into 2, so if we get even value, that's why we can divide into 2, and output also we will get into integer output. If integer S1 is into decimal, so we will simply return 0. So बस यही है. Perfect sum problem means वही return count of ये इसका कोड है. Total sum का count of total subset sum. बस not complete this question. Yeah, to pass all the cases. Okay, so let's fast move on to the last question. Target sum problem. What is this question say that? You are given an integer array nums and integer target. Two things they are given, nums array and target value. You want to build the expression out of nums by adding one of the simple plus minus for each integer in nums and then concatenate all the integers. Example 2 1 can enter Let's go to an example. 1 1 1 1, we have 5 1 and target is 3. So this simply says that we can add plus minus in this element, but after that, after evaluate this if after calculation this full row, we will get only 3 output, only target value. We have to return that count, that's why 5 1 2 3 4 5. We can write plus minus in 5 phase so that we will get this 3. Anna, I hope you understand the question. Let's go to the next. So let's go to the small problem. Take a small example. 1 1 2 3. So yeah, if I will take only one expression, if I take here 1 plus 3, okay, I can take now. I can take minus 1 plus 1 minus 2 and this is array and the target is 1. C is equal to 1. Okay, hope you will consider this thing. So minus 1 plus 1 minus 2 plus 3. This is the one of the expression. So if after that, if we solve this, we will get 1, because this 3. Cut 3 minus 2 is 1. So this is satisfied. Yeah. What we will take? What we will do? We will take positive terms here and negative term here. Okay. After that, in negative side, we take minus in from this side, and both sides we will make positive integer plus. Okay. Here 4 plus 1 plus 3, 1 plus 2. Answer is 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. Okay. 4 minus 3 is 1. Are you able to, can you compare this problem before, in my before problem, like I said that? Huh? Can you compare? The question is also said that count. Means here, let's mention this is S1, this is S2. S1 minus S2 is equal to, should be equal to 1. How you will taken? कितने नंबर ऑफ केसेस होंगे? तो S1 माइनस S2 इक्वल के A1 के बराबर होना चाहिए. कितने उसको काउंट करना है? क्या है ब्रो? You can see this problem just before this problem. Yeah. Count the number of subset whose sum is given to us. You give a difference. So here is not given difference. So in this problem, they will give us target value. Okay. Some here is difference is target. Some target anything. Yeah, simple question, bro. If you know one question, you will able to understand another question. Only difference is problem statement. This problem statement is very complex. You will able to analyze this. You will have a capability to analyze this problem and think how you will relate this problem to other problem. Likewise, same. I simply return count partition problem and answer of this function required and value and D means difference means target array right. Simple. Yeah, yes, good. This is previous course. Simply previous course. Yeah, that's it guys. I hope you like my videos. Okay guys, thank you. Have a nice day.